For me lick of it, I feel think this is not the good. Come in, watch it, the people. Wow. You just melt away and just crack him with the rice and the peas. Wow. Now the bamboo root here, man. Wow, dear Rapsa. The man will put more seasoning than we don't season the boat already. And it tastes that well again and say, yes, I am.
Yeah, Rasta. I clean up the place.
Clean up the place on this morning. Yeah, sucker.
We don't get no goat this morning, so we just get 2 pounds of veggie chunks.
Yeah, idiot. That can't recover ya.
So what's wrong with that?
Me say, no veggie chunks
See
can't
that?
cook ya. Me not touch it.
What man, I won't get?
Me say, me not touch no veggie chunks.
So we now do no video today?
Yeah, but not with no veggie chunks.
Then know what we have?
Me say, no chunks. It must be the goat when you tell me. And that we are dealing today. Goat.
You see chunks in our bag?
You're an idiot. And no chunks is me just throw it out as a give up. Remember that any chunks. Me not dealing nothing in chunks.
That'll be a thing you're going with, man.
No be a thing. People wanna see it. I go think can't come today. I dice it up the right way I want it. See it there? See it?
See that, y'all dash it already.
Yeah, and drop a ground. And Rasta is here. And carry the real thing today. No.
Peanut rice.
No white rice to the people. To the curry bread. See it there?
No white rice.
No white rice. Red rice today.
I hope when you done this, it tastes like peanut.
With a peanut you go get.
You know that little crunch of peanut, huh?
Yeah. You never eat peanut in a rice yet?
Eh.
A joke here again.
Me hear say it's possible.
I
Me
want
never
to hear
eat
you
it.
that-
Me
that-
drink it in a soup though.
That
The bad in
bad.
a soup, you know. Never eat it in a rice yet.
Bad man.
Mm-hmm.
Where are you, man?
Yeah.
Yo, go fly you one of them beats. Come here, go ash you the pot and catch your fire.
Yes, Rasta, you season up the
These are the peas we can go and cook little till the great eye coconut.
Oh.
Yeah. You see, the great eye coconut while peas tough. So the peas have to cook first iron. You can cook rice with tough peas and they just throw in coconut. Go like coconut and boil out.
If you fiddly ball and play, say, what you mean to say?
So a tough rice.
Peanut rice.
Peanut rice me give him today.
Crunchers.
Okay? Call it crunchers. You know cook no crunchers rice. You cook rice and peas today.
Yeah.
That's it, people. That's how it's scale.
Ring him.
Yeah, man, I say a deal is killing and putting a rice pot. Now you not beat him, man. You ring him and so on, just left him in there. And this now and just take out this arm. Beat him from the pot cover.
Yeah. Release the flavor in them.
Right. That one cook up. I know say that as prescribed when it's done. One more tail.
I say I'll do with it.
Dice the right hand pepper with your people.
Cut them up in some bite size.
Yeah, bite size. For them to cut. Yeah, you see it. I start dealing with goat today again. As usual. Ram goat, man.
And the liver you deal with. And
Who
the head
deal
and
with the
everything.
liver?
For make
And
the
where
money
you-
shorter,
where you
man.
get for your talking from? You see we deal in a liver, yeah?
No liver never in the money
Nah,
shorter.
man. We not put liver in a money shorter. Straight ram goat head. And you have your ox out your coconut, man. You see me I go and deal with meat time, man.
So,
Now.
we have to tell Shemar, Rasta.
Shamara tell me say about where we cook liver over here. You know say mad?
But you say ram goat liver can get a money shorter.
Yeah, but oh.
Oh, come here, the song when the song say.
And that's what they say.
Ram
But
goat liver good to
good to
make money shorter.
But not no go so.
Like the matter?
We have put liver night to make money shorter.
That the song say.
Liver we cook down.
Oh.
Boss a quote that can forward.
Yeah, man. Do nothing, man. Two man tell the only thing I deal with it. One I deal with the goat. One I deal with the coconut.
Rasta say Shemar, I don't know if you ox out anything.
Allah, you are telling me Rasta about ox out.
Alright guys, remember the last time for the, what you call it? The rundown? I mean, you said I have the ox it and
You know you have to deal with
and
it.
great tide show him fiddly.
Yeah, him not know if we do that
know
part
if he
there.
do it.
Nothing wrong with that.
Coconut powder Rasta used to.
You're sick in your head.
Tell him say them thing they're not good for
You
him.
say,
man.
The coconut powder there.
Yeah.
me never use, me not use no coconut powder over my yard.
That's how I wash off him, man.
You can
And
see.
great tide film though.
Look, you can go down there, so go look right at the pH. You see, where look on the coconut talks them down the amount of there. Just that means you no say Rasta now use no coconut powder over here. So if you use it out of yard, me no matter can come.
Come on, you know that piece of coconut? And the eye, this
Eye.
Yeah man, the oil bag.
People, tell me the
Me
truth.
I cut up, me I crepe out my thing, prepare everything for me dealing with things. So when you just love chat, you must have parrot.
There's a carrot.
You must have parrot.
There's a carrot and potato go eat when put a simmer down.
Yeah.
Yes, that I
More
go for
on the fans them opinion. People, more to tell me.
But me, I look up all of my ingredients them first before me do nothing. Don't chat too much.
So Rasta.
Just watch what me doing and look for the thing and say, don't tell me no fooling on the table.
Rasta. Alright, look at the camera. Ask the subscriber what them feel.
People want to feel. Like how me I look for the season them first, put them one side, and then me do me season up my part with my thing when I what did. Oh, it look.
No, that is not the question.
Yeah, if I want
Ask
to
them.
show you.
Ask them.
It's one time.
The potato and the carrot, are they supposed to go in same time as? No.
You can't
They
tell
might
me.
go
goat
cook
have to go
out.
and cook.
The goat have to go and cook, man. They might go cook out.
You can't tell me nothing.
Alright.
Yes, every
The
each-
fans are going to tell me.
Rasta,
Everybody
there's
cook
each,
different. Every man cooking pot different.
No, but we want to see carrot.
Watch
Remember
your
last
pot, we have
time we
to
never seen a carrot in our pot, you know?
Yeah, I go see carrot sniper. Every day you ball about carrot when you come back to come cook, you know.
Yes.
Yo, you know, say, you see next cooking you go on, and you run the table, you are going to run and I hold the camera find
Make you left the carrot there.
you have to carrot and feel last. What chance I go reach you? What you say?
Better make sure you
You
get carrot.
better make sure me get carrot. Like the day you come about to carrot and sit at one carrot, me say. Where next one then? I don't can't boy, so you want to see carrot. Where carrot there? One carrot you can't come and tell me say, boy, you can't carrot come. One carrot can go and call boy.
Yeah, wants the carrot.
You want to see carrot. I mean, I see that you have ball, boy, you want carrot. You better go and feel to go look for that. Jesus Christ, man.
Alright, Rasta.
Mad. One carrot, the boy can't come up. People, look there. And one carrot in can't come in on a ball for me saying he wants to see enough carrot and I goat. And he want carrot. And him can one carrot and tell himself for telling the pan this Christ say, we need to look what I go on. Look what I go on and one number, you know.
One high rat.
One high rat the boy bring.
Alright, I'll cut the camera and go get some more.
Look over Peter if you check him now.
Oh, no more chat.
Yeah, man, and I want two more carrots.
Because he want pressure out that one there to nothing, that's why I'm a ball for more.
Now look at none in there and teeth out one.
Alright, I'm glad Auntie Cherry I hear this.
Yeah.
All you need
Yeah,
to-
hey, that boy, that wicked boy, they are informer. Say the pump phone that take me up, Dr. Can you when you talk about, so you teeth out one and carrot if you are none in there. Jesus Christ, boy, I never know something that no matter.
Boy, wicked.
Boy, a wicked boy. It's alright, but I'm a woman, carrot never take out in life with goodness and nothing wrong with that. Now go to roll, got teeth none.
Yeah, your wife won.
Wife one. Nothing wrong. When it is there, you can use it. No problem. Up. One martel. Straight and running. Alright people, watch this now. Rasta at the control scene with the cold beer today. Some vinegar natural pan it right now. So you know say, wash it off with the vinegar. You don't know say, away that.
Yeah, Rasta. See this? Coconut done great and ready for you.
You coconut done great. Juice if you juice the coconut.
You ready for that?
You're ready for
Yeah,
that.
go juice it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no worry,
cook
sit
it.
there people. Look up. See there? Pretty. Rasta. Sit there. Pretty. Up and running the ram goat man. Hey ya!
So when the vegetable come and someone want to see a
Yeah,
beef
me don't
too.
want no vegetable. Season me a season up here now. Yeah, at the control again. Cutting up the season then. You see it? Garlic, onion, pepper, and thyme.
That's all.
And that's some season. But yo, what could have caused when you carry this a white one now come out? Eh? How is this sir? But
Season salt.
season salt. So it's better we have season salt to go. You know you hold then you let's say me gonna ask the people them. Don't you then say season salt rattle no bone. Please and thanks. I want to know.
So Rasta,
prescribe
me
and
ask
tell
you
me the
something
truth about it.
You ever eat Caesar salt yet?
Me no fool on them something.
You eat it in the
No,
food?
me no know if he in there. Cause me no buy it. Me never buy this yet. So me wonder what no carry this a white sitting and come for today.
Traditional seasoning
And then
still,
someone
you know.
say a season salt.
season
And what you
salt.
say?
Traditional season from my
Chad,
great grandmother.
You ever see this a Chad yet? Jesus Christ, boy. You're scared. I never see this a Chad
Yeah,
yet.
now I use the one that today then, Rasta.
Why? Me not tell a lie. I never use it yet. So
See,
if
now
you know,
I use it then.
If you know what in there, me put it in there now.
No, man, you don't have to use it. We not hold you hostage, man.
Not going in there. So
All
make sure
right,
put
then.
it one side. I never use season salt yet.
Alright, so put it one side.
That's why me ask you now, where that little white sitting when you bring come get higher. We put it in the goat to the higher. No season salt can go in a rasta pot. Because we not deal with that one there, because we don't know where it come from, compound there. You mad?
No
Hey!
season salt.
No
Rasta.
season salt. Must they natural salt,
No seasoning.
but no seasoning salt. Natural salt. Right. Done.
Hey, Rasta,
Yes, I.
before this done, I give you one grade. I go feel I go get today.
Grade?
Yeah. I give you one 6
think-
today out of 1 10.
You think any grade over here? That's about grade.
Fiddle what you give
No
before it
grade now.
finish.
Yo, you see
Before
me?
it finish, fiddle.
Hold on, no?
Me not tell them no. People, every day they come. They say, what them all give me? What are them to give me?
Yeah.
Pan is 5.
Out of 10.
Out of 10. But right now, you know, I bias today, you know, because I guess I know. Everything when them can't come get Rasta, I pass it 10.
But Rasta,
Me say me pass it 10.
the fish,
Pass it 10.
I best grade that.
The
The fish, remember I fish at 9.8.
fish will reach all 2,000. Anyway, you want to put the fish.
The fish on the super lead right now.
Anything you want to talk about. Anything you can't come, it has to lead, because food you can't come for cook. And
The
Rasta-
first-
And Rasta
alright.
have to deal with it properly, because something will go in your engine. Because you see that engine here,
Don't
it
play with
consume
it.
all that food that you get. And if you don't, you're not putting the right and proper food in your engine. You can't move. Because dry food no good for engine. You put biscuit and bread, and then I run go buy all cheese sticks. Then the thing the Rasta no eat, because I never buy cheese sticks. And when me little, me don't know where they're planning. So then think them in a fool on.
Same cheese sticks when we used to eat. So cheese,
they
season
can't
salt
eat
upon
dry
it, man.
food.
Tigers.
Dry food can't hold you up, you know. Then say empty bag can't stand up. Put on that bag and look at it. See bag we buy food and bring coming out. Put it down, son. Tell if he can't stand up, drop down. Alright. That with your engine. If you're hungry, you go drop down. Food is staff of life. Without food, you cannot be standing firm to talk to you. Right. Prescribe. One manner. Up and running. One Martin.
Cook a goat make you really. You say
you're
you eat
a
a
joker.
Rasta, you go say general.
You're a joker. You can't cook no goat. Give me
Yo.
my meat after this. I see your goat me I cook
Listen,
good.
man.
I see me bad on phone right now.
Listen,
Remember me tell you.
Rasta, I know you go say Jesus
Christ.
I saw goat it for taste.
Yeah, joke. Today I go ask you say, you know, you're not cook no goat again. You wait. You know, remember when they cook it, you know? Without curry, you know.
When?
Alright, which one are we cook natural?
We don't cook nothing, I just say chicken.
Chicken.
And cook natural.
There's nothing wrong. Anyone of them, don't cook curry goat away, I go nowhere later. Peter, no people. Looking at it, you know. Rasta, make sure say thing rice in my rubby and then I go.
Make sure it's everything married.
Yeah. Marinate.
Rasta. I use the water and sink. So a piece of cake, I know you never know say to sink when it a cook. You know that?
Long time I know them thing.
Uh,
Put that one.
What that? So I'm going to use this. Sink a piece of here. Right, look.
Whoa.
So you don't know, say. Liquor water. Sink back the peas in there. I remember no pressure cooker.
Alright, see there. That is it.
Yeah, man.
People. This big Jilla oil Rasta use.
Yeah, left back like a people. Am I bad?
Oh, can you know me? I got to tell
Yo,
you.
I gotta tell the people a life and Rasta, and I not do what you talk about. Yeah, what if they say no, you mean? What if why they say no? Yo, you think say that catch me today? I'll be a fun right back time. Yeah, man.
Alright,
You
my
make it
father.
hot, and the butt burning the curry night people.
That
See,
is it.
That is it, the general. I mean, see it here? Look how. See them
Yeah, man,
see the
everything
people.
done married
See
up
them
on
general. See it there? Rasta
Oh,
have
gosh, man.
everything, man. Ready, you know. See it there? Ready, you know. Up and running, you know. All style I got into that today now. Mad! Oi!
Wow.
Wow, people. See it there?
But sizzling already Rasta.
After sizzling, boy. See it there?
Temperature right. That's all it needs.
You burn some of the curry people with some garlic. Now your curry. See it there? Ready. Watch me now.
But I make
people.
it burn too much, you know.
No, it's not dealing with that now, man. People sit here now. I will deal with me. See there? So now here is sizzling like pot and everything I work out.
Yeah, and the initial scent that we get up a while ago.
Yeah, so
It's up on the right track.
It's up on the right, everything after the fan is right.
It's up on the right track. It smells good from where yeah, it my time said the initial scent that we get, it's up on the right track. Smells better than the first one, no? Yeah. It might go on better, man.
Yeah, so anything you want to Rasta about, bring in some water to me now.
Yeah. So water, Rasta? Have it ready. I'll go on like piece spot, Rasta.
I'll check him. Yeah.
Tough.
No, so under there.
Get in there?
Get in there, brother. See there? Feel it.
You see it, man. See it as
Yeah.
squeeze.
Get in there. Put on back the cover, my general.
Alright,
Until I put on like coconut milk and juice and go in there after that.
Alright.
Until I put on back. Until I look back at
night.
night, general. I'm going to squeeze the coconut, put it in there. Let him go on.
Rasta, the pea is rich already and coconut in there.
Alright, so you see, so every choice when the coconut go in there now. It's not go mellow. I told you, we don't have no white rice.
Yeah.
It's red rice today. Red rice with peas today. Red rice. See there? Mama big spoon and half fork. This is the curry one. This is the rice and peas one. Up and running, prescribed. Rasta is here. Woo! Yo, stay fast.
No, it's sent jam here. Give me the clear this in a minute.
Well, fire man.
Fire. Alright.
Fire and push up. Where is it? Jesus God.
Where's the mats? Go on, you know? Yeah, I'm going better than the last one. Alright.
One of the people and tell us some backside pan this is it, but me I better go and better than the last one.
So
Nothing can last. Nothing where we are cook can last. Every day is the first day.
Rasta,
Guide
honesty is the best policy.
Then honesty is really
that. Some of that you say when you're nice, then you know.
Nice.
That means when I find this here too. Fine, you out kind nice. Not too much water, Rasta. I want it just right this time. I really know if you cook in Rasta, so
we don't know if you cook. And you cook, give me what they feed, and it tastes good.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm going. You can give a 10.
Alright, solid 10.
Solid 10. So, and we are content, but you can give me now a little blood clean, but 6 and a little damn fool, you know.
No, today?
No, not today, baby. Not the at all.
You said today when I'm sitting right as a Rasta, you're going to get a good score. Honest score. Yeah, honest score.
Well, the honest score always are people in past.
Honest score always a good score, you know, regardless of the figure where you get. Honest score, always the best score.
On
YouTube?
On YouTube, they love it and think, you know, so they might give me the best.
I always 10 out of 10 because we said the meal prepared with love.
One dodo and Martel do. See there? Coconut milk today, going to the rice and peas. Right hand I nutmeg tree over dodo yard. One dodo as usual. When you come with it today, I mash it up today. See the people?
The rice. That look good.
You all listen, my brother.
This look good. You want a big spoon and stuff?
You do what?
To store this.
Fork we using that.
Fork. What do you say? Spoon and make it blacker.
Spoon mash out the peas.
Yes, sir, Rasta, rice and peas.
Rice
Can't be rice and peas.
Yeah, rice and peas without a green pepper in there. Some people cook rice and not see the pepper in there. It can't nice. Pepper flavour up the rice.
That's a must. You know the secret ingredient.
What kind of thing?
Your butter, man. You love your butter, man.
Yeah, my butter going last in the rice when it starts.
Oh, you never eat it?
No, the rice will go in the pot.
So when rice go in, you put in butter?
Yeah.
Never know.
You want to get put it in, so?
Yeah. Yes, Rasta, put salt.
Not put salt. Add little salt.
Yeah,
right
add salt, man.
Right amount.
I taste it until I go.
Yeah, man, I'm going to make a taste now. I'll make a taste it too, because I'm a chef.
Yeah.
So I'm going to taste it first. You can't taste it before. Too hard.
Rude.
Rude.
Wait one.
That's good.
Wait.
Cook down that one, cook down. Alright. So you got teeth cherry character.
You're proud of talking. Alright. That's the last set of ingredients.
The last set of ingredients are going to go to. You see, the carrot and the Irish and the scallion. Although scallion in night already, but we have some couple last piece and thing, people.
Reflavor,
Reflavor of my thing. So I got Right now, baby, let's scrape off the carrot. Because if you peel the carrot, you take off too much. I will I skin you take off. You waste the carrot. You know, scrape the carrot. Nice and pretty.
That's still come back with this thing and carrot skin bad man.
Maybe we want to say that.
So you want a carrot skin?
No, just the dirt. The outer layer where underneath the dirt just have a rough texture, so in a carrot skin though.
Tell him.
Or not to my knowledge. I might be wrong, but not to my knowledge.
So you promise the people are peeling.
Yeah, because they might try to get the rough exterior off. That's a piece where they beneath the earth.
Scrape is a scrape, man. And scrape off the little
That's
rough.
alright way, so you just wash it with your, Scotch Brite, vegetable Scotch Brite.
Okay. I'm not run no joke with Rasta thing around here. No joke with no pork. And no chunks around here. Because Rasta not run no joke. If you go eat no pork and don't go eat no chunks around. I don't know in China then you Jamaica do that big old ugly thing there. Then send come to Jamaica, the body that Rasta just run it down for eat it. So and the cookie look like a rubber. No, I'm not eat I am. No, I am. Alright people. I'm showing my last ingredients in my pot.
What a good smell, good so far, Rasta.
God, yo.
What smell good, man.
But office smell good. Good. Eat there. Eat there.
The smell of I taste you talk about.
Taste you talk about.
You kill it now. You kill it now.
That's how you being kill it now.
Taste how you think you did that there.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Very.
Anytime this done, I done it done.
So Rasta you put on all purpose tonight.
Everything now not already raspa.
That's what
Every
we say.
season going there now. We not put no more Maggie season nice something again.
Alright.
Now the bamboo root, the man. I say, wow, dear Rapsa. The man want to put more season than we don't season the goat already. And it tastes that while I got and say, yes, I just want to come off of the fire.
True, you dilute it a while ago.
Joe it to do. You think that river with our sea? I'm here, man. Just look at the diver by itself. And for the fire there, I know when I see you in the dive. I know you no dive. So you can't jump. Strain off the water. First wash done already. Try second wash.
Rasta, you say, wash your face with dry salt, you can see dopey, you know.
Do that regular.
You see them?
See what?
Dopey.
Yeah, when we whole time we do see them, I'm not see them again.
You get too old.
How they look?
Just like you.
That's a dopey still.
Just
Like,
you just look like normal when you see already that see face and
Oh, you know
everything.
when it's a dopey then.
Then if I'm dead and you see somebody.
Oh, people dead already.
Yeah.
Oh,
And I dopey that.
oh yeah.
But you have some living man with the parrot who are real dopey, you know. When you look upon them, you see the living devil upon them, you know. Living ghosts are walk, you know.
Yeah.
And look upon the man, no find man in America dead house. If you look upon enough of them man, they down there, Jesus Christ. You want to know if they're dead already? Let me tell you that. Swift crime. I love it up. Take out the cover now, I throw some rice in my pot. Hold this. Go before I come to me.
Why, Rasta?
Champ, right?
Terrible boy, man.
Yeah, I mean, let's- Look like it's a look like it's too small today, you know.
Oh God.
2 pounds of rice.
Pot cover go lift off.
That me I want that today.
Come on, it looks like too much water tonight.
Pot cover go lift off.
Yeah.
You know, so plan that swell rice, you know.
You know, somebody comment and say, we top that, they say, your hand is well not rice inside the amount of water you put in.
Obviously,
You
yeah.
don't want to hear it again.
How we after them? Them a joke.
So how you what give your hand the power for swell rice?
You want to give me on the power? The nature of your
Like
body.
you never hear in say Rasta, God live it in all of us. You never hear.
God live it in all of us. So the nature of your hand where God give you. So when you go and wash the rice and put it in there, swell boy!
Yeah. Worse if you have a big family to feed. You Rasta?
Yeah.
Worse if you have a big family to
If you
feed.
see, worse if you have a big family
Yeah.
full of y'all cook 2 pounds of rice.
Yeah,
You
that's
can't be
worse.
this chef you have 6, 7, 8 of you that one there for a 2 pounds of rice that share. I just told you your hand can't swell and the water. Simple as that.
Yeah.
Because you have to put the right amount of limit of water in the pot to deal with it. You know, put no water for drown it. Like what you talk about, me a drown the goat a while ago. You see a Rasta drown no goat, boy, you think with that riverside? You think with that riverside a drown goat, boy? You see, that's right on the Rasta fire side, the only fire for drown. Down there, I have Rastafari. See there? I'm a butter now, I'm going to put the light in. Rastafari.
Secret ingredient.
Nah, man, see it in your back away from the smoke. You make the smoke only and choke you. Hold listen to me, them black Martin.
No.
Mr. The I run for the real wood fire smoke. And him and the cameraman. The cameraman take some of my smoke too, you know.
Stick
Yeah,
fire.
because you burn ganja. So you run for the real wood fire smoke. Higher? No higher. Cheer my fire. That mash up all your sex organ to them. BAM!
Yeah, go on, man.
Now that's about half going on my rice, you know, because nothing in this is to see it back, you know.
High cholesterol meals.
Just limit everything you find in fiddly.
Half stick of butter per day, we have to start give.
Come on, kill me off with this.
Prescribe. One love. Yeah. That's the out there. Goat pattern now. Eat your paper. My feet there. Take the paper. Real ram goat today.
Smell like a rammy.
Smell like it's an ram there.
It smell like a ram.
Rasta coming.
Rasta.
People, what are they coming? Watch the paper. Wow.
Fiddly, look at it.
Wow. See the paper.
They say look at the best rice today.
What?
Best rice. But I don't always come white rice come over here. I don't know white rice come back over a crisis. Red rice.
Oh, so that means you used to make
Are
the white.
you white rice
Are
you
you-
split me?
are
You spoil it purposely, man. Yeah,
Slap it for
purposefully you
purpose.
spoil it.
No?
You know, do it for spite.
You ever say I spoil the rice when I cook it from over here yet?
Yes, sir.
We're pinned
So
that
if you
video.
ever see Rasta spoil the rice when you see it cook
We're
it?
pinned that video there in the
Pin it.
edits.
You better pin it in there now. right now too.
Alright.
Closing
All
time.
right.
Subscribe. Man has our respect to the people that watch this subscribe movement and take
You
watch
know
it.
I'm this door, Rasta.
You can't get none today. I see in terms of in our rice today, but today mad today curry goat. Up and running. Prescribe. One love.
Yeah. A fiddly. Rice chili today. Sacha. Can't count all the rice grain.
Rasta, you do this? Oh, I'm
Man
there.
attack here, Rasta.
And the wood fire, me also make do it at all time.
Oh.
Straight wood fire. I'm telling you, when you cook rice for wood fire, it always nice. You know, because I get the little smoke flavor. And
Man attack
it's
about it.
sweet.
The man attack where you shelling
Yeah,
is
I
today.
say for you
Shelling
cook
in them, man,
this.
and
You
finger
cook this?
Are you cook it?
Yeah, and the finger they make them shelly. So
No assistance.
yeah, so my finger them a move and cook it.
man-
That's what the
You
rice
know,
are
say,
split.
you ask keep out everything you man
No,
ask.
me not ask you for it.
You man ask if you get assistance.
Assistant,
Yeah.
you are my assistant today. And you gonna share the food today. Oh, you mean up and running one man telling all the business, move it up
Who
and
cook
running.
the rice?
Rasta cook the rice.
Alright.
Alright, but you fire steam it down.
Believe it at that.
Yes,
You
sir.
say the fire steam it down.
Nah, be honest. You know, be honest, Fiddly.
Eh?
See, you have one in cap today, man.
What me? No to me I work. I'm sure it's sit there. Rastafari today. Anytime when you want to say aya. Dreadlocks, not aya.
Go
Yeah, no, watch that, man.
High cholesterol meal, Rasta.
It look good still, cause watch along Fiddly. The carrot everybody left today.
Yes, sir, Rasta no pressure it out today.
You know what I'm saying? Go on well.
Wonderful, wonderful.
well today.
As usual.
As usual.
Oh, him not talk. Oh, him then gone.
Down there.
man.
What me not see no gravy and go buy rice.
We get the Rasta, man. And no gravy this need I have neither, man.
How about we have?
A hile.
If I'm to say something should I cook down when you take it off too
Not
quick.
like that, man. Say if you cook down your hile, it'll come out.
Yeah.
I,
Yes, sir.
I can't cook
You
them.
can't cook down.
No way you say it, man.
Hile will forever be hile. Ah, come there.
Mine were mine oil, you know?
Mine.
Say act like a judgment, Fiddly.
It look good though.
Yeah,
Smell
Rasta
good
go
too.
on good today.
Alright, they might tell you they really need to build a camera where can smell.
Wow, guys.
Put on something after that.
We no man Rasta, man.
Rasta, if only them could have smelled these.
You go on well.
Put up sort of food no one good enough. Sort of nothing.
Rasta face,
Oh,
Rasta, all
Rasta
a drool.
June, right
Like
now.
Can't
ready
wait
feed.
for tear
Can't
down.
wait for you to tear down the curry goat today. Look at Melissa and Hurricane. Yeah, watch him. Running around the thing, forgetting him. What you want now, Melissa?
Running
Hurricane.
around.
Sure, Hurricane, you pose off. Wow. Goodly. Martel, now tell you.
Yeah, go on.
I go to cook better than where they want.
Alright.
Alright.
Because you can't more season come this time.
No.
You can't tell me that.
No. The only different season will come today are the season salt and you don't use it.
That's all. Tell you we go on today.
Please
You're
don't
not
more.
throwing everything
You
today.
just do it a
You just
different
do it,
process. Cause remember the last time you
Okay,
throwing
yeah.
everything one time.
I'll tell you,
It's good, man. Just
Mother road, up
Alright.
and running.
10 out of 10.
20 this time.
Alright.
I'm going good today, Fiddly, but you know, say.
I don't know, me know. You don't have to tell me about the guidance and get her.
Yeah, me give him only a guidance, man, so. Nah, I go give me 10, I go give him a 9.5 today.
What your
Yeah,
stuff
yo.
is?
So your dear made look at you find a sweat already on the right hand piece that sweating.
Yeah, man, Fiddly, but
Yeah, every time now.
bad, so I make you give them
Yeah,
your review, though.
That's a tip.
Man, not everything at tape.
Why that's that? Rice and peas well smoky and nice, man. Can taste the coconut. That's all though, but nah kill. Nah kill, you go on good. People, I shall you rice is first time I cook. Don't feel like a lie, me I tell me. I'll be honest with you today. Just Rasta truth, man. The last rice Rasta cook, the most it get there. Dip on the soft side, but today every grain you can look here, people.
Yo, you like my tell you?
No, more to say, a shelly rice, man. Shelly rice. It can go on good, man. A 10 out of 10 to them, man.
Alright. Alright.
Okay, man. Why, peeps? That's go on good. I give pop piece of stuff. That's go on well good, man. 10 out of 10 today. Rasta.
Let me see your plate.
Clean one.
Mm.
I give pop that little piece of stuff, but
Food that choke, yeah.
sweet, man, I tell you. You know, reach the end of the video, people, so we're just begging you to like, comment, share, subscribe, and catch up on the next epic adventure. Yeah? Big up and respect for your constant support.